జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. 318th నామం ఫ్రమ్ శ్రీ విష్ణు సహస్రనామం. ఓం విశ్వబాహవే నమః. హో శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, I realize that you are the one who would unroot all the bad rulers and confer welfare to the entire universe. O Srimannarayana, you would unroot all the bad rulers with your shoulder strength Bhujabalam. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Visvabahave Namaha. Om Visvabahave Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, all the entire army and all the people are coming to Sri Ramachandra Swami and having a darshanam of Sri Ramachandra Swami, and all the citizens and army people are moving to tears while meeting with Ramachandra Swami. As and how they come, Ramachandra Swami Paryashvajata Dharmajnaha Pitruvat Matruvachasaha. He is hugging all the gents just like a father. He is giving a hug to all the ladies just like a mother. Then some people kechittu tam abhyavadayan. Some people are doing sashtanga namaskaram to Sri Ramachandra Swami. Ramachandra Swami meeting with all his friends, all his relatives. Everybody started moving to tears, crying when all the people got together. When all the people started crying, the sound of their cry, Bhuvancha Khancha Anuninadayan, spreaded all over the earth and all over the sky. But by then, mothers did not reach ashramam yet. Vasishtha Maharshi, Brahmarshi, he is bringing all the mothers slowly. They are walking towards ashramam. On their way, they stopped at the shore banks of the Ganga river. While going here and there, while walking through the shore of that Ganga river, Kausalyamma identified the footprints of Sri Ramachandra Swami in that Ganga shore, because that is where Sita, Rama, Lakshmana always used to go to the shore of the Ganga Nadi and take bath and bring some water. That is why Kausalyamma identified Ramachandra Swami's footprints over there and started moving to tears. While the tears are rolling down the cheeks, Kausalyamma sharing all her grief with her all other queens, all other wives of Dasharatha Maharaju. She is saying that Klishtam Aklishta Karmanam, the one who would not cause any kind of harm to anyone. That is my Ramachandra Swami. Anadhanam, the one who was sent out of the kingdom, such my Rama, along with Sita, Lakshmana, probably have walked here only and probably comes to the shore of the Ganga river here only. Oh Sumitra, I can see my Rama's footprints. Oh Sumitra, probably your son Lakshmana also every day comes here and takes water to the ashramam as a part of serving to my son Rama. Oh Sumitra, in fact your son Lakshmana did not have to go through all these troubles. But you know what? Lakshmana loves Rama. Not because just he is a brother, but because Rama has such a great attributes and qualities. Because of those qualities, Lakshmana got captivated by Rama, and Lakshmana respects Rama more than a brother but like a father. That is why Lakshmana ended up serving Rama forever. Oh Sumitra, but don't worry, soon Lakshmana's troubles are going to come to an end. You know why? Because now we all came here along with Bharata. Bharata is now going to request Rama to come back and get Pattabhishekam done and start ruling the kingdom. Then Rama comes back. When Rama comes back, Lakshmana doesn't have to do all these sevas. With that kind of thinking, with that kind of opinion, Kausalyamma saying to Sumitra that Lakshmana's troubles are going to end very soon. Like this, while they are walking and talking, they have come across a place where just a few minutes before Rama Lakshmana has done Pinda Pradhanam over there. So all the queens along with Sumitra and Kausalyamma, they reached over there. Kausalyamma has seen those pindas which were kept on Dakshinagreshu Darbeshu, which were kept on Darbha. Now Kausalyamma, while crying, she is saying to all other queens that look at those pindas. Idam Ikshvakunadhasya Raghavasya Mahatmanaha. Ikshvakunadha is our Dasaratha Maharaju. Great man Mahatma is our Dasaratha Maharaju. Father to Rama is our Dasaratha Maharaju. To such great man, Rama has done Pinda Pradhanam with all of his Shraddha. I can see that those pindas, that is where Pinda Pradhanam is done. Like that, Kausalyamma, after seeing those pindas, started moving to tears and sharing all her pain and grief with all other queens. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow with meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 34th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Ishto Visishtaha Sishteshtaha Sikhandi Nahusho Vrushaha Krodhaha Krodhakritkarta Visvabahuhu మహీధరః. ఓం సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. Dear devotees, it is very important request to each and every one of you. This month, 25th is Gita Jayanti, Bhagavata Jayanti, Sri Vaikuntha Ekadasi. On that day, according to America Central Time 10 a.m., according to Bharat Time 9:30 p.m., let us all meet in our live program in Gattus Karishya Vachanantava YouTube channel. First, we will have a darshanam of Sri Krishna Paramatma in that live program. This Krishna Paramatma got Prana Pratishtha done in North India, Uttara Bharat and Uttara Madhura, in the same place where Krishna Paramatma exactly born in Dwapara Yugam. In that jail Krishna is born. That Krishna is going to give us darshanam on this Vaikuntha Ekadasi. We usually take North Uttaradwara darshanam, right? So Swami Paramatma came down from Uttara Bharatam to give us Uttaradwara darshanam on Vaikuntha Ekadasi on that day. After that, we will all together give a word to Paramatma saying that Krishna, I shall do as you say. Like that, let us make Krishna Paramatma happy together. And then we will chant our own Narayanastra slokas. With that, we will be able to do at least one Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, few times Bhagavad Gita, few times Vishnu Sahasranama Parayana on that very auspicious day. Individually, we cannot attain that huge, big goal. So all together as a team, we have to be doing this. Please spread the word. Please mark your calendar and let us all join that program. Those who have not taken Narayanastram, requested to go to narayanastram.org and get Narayanastram. Even if you are unable to get also, please join this live program. Let us all collectively make Sri Krishna Paramatma happy on that day. In return, we will be able to lead our lives with all kind of prosperity, and we will be able to impart divine vibrations to the entire world and attain Loka Kalyanam. Om Visvabhave Namaha. Om Visvabhave Namaha. Om Visvabhave Namaha.